This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your browsing data on the Opera web browser using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I am on my iPhone now and I have the Opera browser opened up. To clear all browsing data, you want to go down to the lower right hand corner. You want to tap on the three-dot menu. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. Now on the Settings page, you want to go down to where it says Clear Browser Data. Tap on Clear Browser Data. Then from here, you will choose what you want to clear. Do you want to clear browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, site settings, recently closed tabs? You would just tap on any one of those. If you wanted to clear that, then you'll go down to the bottom and you'll select your time range. I'm going to tap on time range. Last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks are all time. I'm going to go with all time. I'm going to go back. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and I'm going to tap on clear. It asks me, do I want to clear the selected data? I'm going to tap on clear selected data. And that's it. That is how to clear your browsing data on Opera. Thanks for watching.